Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about two dividend ETFs that many long-term investors simply refuse to sell. And honestly, for good reason. If you're building a portfolio designed to create steady wealth, passive income, and long-term financial freedom, these two ETFs deserve serious attention. We're talking about SCHD VIG. These are not flashy meme investments. They're not get-rich overnight plays. But over time, dividend growth investing has historically rewarded patient investors in a very powerful way. In this video, we'll cover what SCHD and VIG actually are, how they differ, their strengths and weaknesses, which investors may benefit most from each ETF, and why buying and holding them for the long haul could be one of the smartest investing decisions you make. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also show you how some investors combine both ETFs into one simple long-term strategy. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Let's get started. Why dividend investing still works. Before we dive into the ETFs themselves, let's quickly talk about why dividend investing continues to attract long-term investors. A lot of people think dividends are boring. But boring can be incredibly profitable. Dividend-paying companies are often financially stable, consistently profitable, mature businesses with strong cash flow, companies that can survive difficult economic environments, and over long periods of time, dividend reinvestment can dramatically accelerate wealth creation. That's because you're not just earning returns on your original investment. You're earning returns on your dividends, your reinvested shares, and the growth of those additional shares over time. That compounding effect becomes massive over decades. And this is where SCHD and VIG stand out. Both ETFs focus on quality companies. But they do it differently. What is SCHD? Let's start with SCHD. SCHD is one of the most popular dividend ETFs in the entire market. And honestly, it's easy to see why. SCHD focuses on high-quality US companies with strong balance sheets, consistent dividends, healthy cash flow, solid profitability. But here's what makes SCHD special: it doesn't simply chase the highest dividend yields. That's important, because extremely high yields can sometimes be dangerous. Instead, SCHD screens for companies with strong financial health and sustainable dividends. This creates a portfolio filled with companies that are often industry leaders. You'll commonly find names from sectors like industrials, consumer staples, healthcare, financials, energy, technology, and many of these companies have long histories of rewarding shareholders. One reason investors love SCHD is the balance between dividend income and dividend growth. Historically, SCHD has offered a relatively attractive yield compared to the broader market, while also delivering strong total returns. That combination is incredibly powerful for long-term investors. Why investors love SCHD? So why do so many investors swear by SCHD? There are several reasons. 1. Strong dividend yield. SCHD has historically provided a yield that's noticeably higher than the S&P 500. That means investors receive more cash flow from their portfolio. And for income-focused investors, that matters a lot, especially during retirement. 2. Dividend growth. SCHD companies don't just pay dividends. Many of them consistently increase those dividends over time. That means your income stream can potentially grow every single year. This helps investors combat inflation. 3. Quality screening. SCHD filters companies using financial metrics like return on equity, cash flow, dividend sustainability. This quality focus helps avoid weaker businesses. 4. Low expense ratio. Fees matter. And SCHD is known for being very cost efficient. Over decades, lower fees can make a huge difference. 5. Long-term simplicity. Many investors simply buy SCHD regularly and hold it for decades. No complicated strategy. No constant trading. Just long-term investing and compounding. What is VIG? Now let's talk about VIG. VIG takes a different approach. Instead of focusing on higher yield dividend stocks, VIG focuses heavily on dividend growth consistency. Specifically, VIG invests in companies that have increased their dividends for many consecutive years. That's a major sign of financial strength. Because companies that consistently raise dividends through recessions, inflation, market crashes, and economic uncertainty are usually extremely disciplined businesses. VIG tends to focus more on stability and quality rather than maximizing yield. So compared to SCHD, VIG often has a lower yield, but it may have stronger exposure to long-term dividend growers, and many of these companies are world-class businesses. We're talking about companies with durable competitive advantages, strong brands, consistent earnings, and reliable cash flow generation. Why investors love VIG? So why do investors choose VIG? 1. Focus on dividend growth. VIG prioritizes companies that regularly raise dividends. That consistency matters. Dividend increases often signal management confidence and business strength. 2. Lower volatility. VIG often appeals to conservative investors. Why? Because companies with long dividend growth histories tend to be financially stable. 3. Strong long-term performance. Even though VIG's yield may be lower than SCHD's, total returns can still be very competitive over long periods. That's because high-quality companies often compound wealth extremely effectively. 4. Excellent diversification. VIG spreads exposure across many sectors and industries. This reduces reliance on any single company. 5. Vanguard reputation. Many investors trust Vanguard for long-term investing due to low costs, broad diversification, and investor-friendly structures. SCHD versus VIG. Now here's the big question. Which ETF is better? SCHD or VIG? The truth is, they're both excellent. But they serve slightly different purposes. SCHD may appeal more to investors seeking higher dividend income, investors wanting stronger current cash flow, retirees, or income-focused portfolios, investors who like value-oriented dividend stocks. VIG may appeal more to investors focused on long-term dividend growth, conservative investors, investors prioritizing stability and consistency, younger investors focused heavily on compounding. SCHD is often viewed as the higher income option. VIG is often viewed as the steadier dividend growth option. Neither approach is wrong. It depends on your goals. The power of combining both. Now here's where things get interesting. Some long-term investors don't choose one. They buy both. Why? Because SCHD and VIG actually complement each other surprisingly well. SCHD can provide higher yield, strong dividend income value exposure, while VIG can provide dividend growth, consistency, stability, high quality long-term compounders. Together, they can create a very balanced dividend portfolio. For example, some investors use 50% SCHD, 50% VIG. Others might lean heavier into SCHD for more income, or heavier into VIG for more growth and stability. There's no perfect formula. The key is consistency. Why long-term holding matters. Now let's talk about something incredibly important. The hold for the long haul part. Most investing mistakes happen because investors panic sell, chase hype, or constantly switch strategies. But long-term wealth is often built through patience. Dividend investing especially rewards consistency. Imagine reinvesting dividends for 10 years, 20 years, or even 30 years. The compounding effect becomes enormous. Many investors underestimate how powerful dividend reinvestment becomes over time. And ETFs like SCHD and VIG are designed for exactly that kind of long-term investing mindset. Risks to remember now: even though SCHD and VIG are high-quality ETFs, they are not risk-free. That's important to understand. Dividend ETFs can still decline during market crashes. Interest rates can impact dividend stocks. Economic recessions can hurt corporate earnings. And no ETF will outperform every single year. There may also be periods where growth stocks outperform dividend stocks significantly. That happens. But many long-term investors accept short-term volatility in exchange for long-term compounding potential. The key is having realistic expectations. So, if you're looking for two dividend ETFs that many investors consider strong long-term holdings, SCHD and VIG absolutely deserve attention. SCHD offers strong dividend income, quality screening, and attractive yield potential. Meanwhile, VIG focuses on consistent dividend growth, stability, and long-term compounding. And for many investors, owning both may provide an excellent balance. At the end of the day, successful investing is usually less about finding the perfect ETF, and more about staying consistent, investing regularly, reinvesting dividends, and giving your portfolio time to grow. Because time in the market has historically been far more powerful than trying to time the market. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future investing content. And down in the comments, which dividend ETF do you prefer right now, SCHD, VIG, or both? Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.